the yoga practice which we used to understand is not just restricted to the physical practice or the breathing practice or simply sitting with the eyes closed contemplating on some physical object. There is also a form of meditation or the practice which will never let you fail, but this practice will test you at times, and if you persist into this practice, the divine knowledge or understanding will dawn unto you. The grace will fall, although there is not any need to prove that the life of each individual is simply a grace for them, but to see and to experience this grace and then to have that faith on the Creator will surely give a different perspective to see the life and to live the life and to utilize the life. In this video, I'm going to talk about the experience which I have collected over the years. I get into this practice of yoga seeking that how to be happy. The happiness not just for some hours, the happiness which will stay forever. To get into this dimension, we need to understand the mind, its complexities, the outer life, the different people around, how to deal with them, and there are many trivial or difficult tasks to know how to be happy in every mood or situation. Now, to build on this, either you solve all such troubles or get expert in all the departments of life, or you simply take shelter or refuge under the feet of God. I find that this shelter under the feet of God or a master is the right path to get into the happiness which one individual is seeking. But keep in mind, you will be tested. This test is not for the purpose to check on your performance. This test is to modify your life and to see the life simply as the grace of God for you. When someone used to take shelter or refuge under a divine teacher, then that divine teacher used to take the responsibility to transform your character. And such a divine teacher will never stop to have or to give you a beautiful life where you understand all the secrets to pursue the life, and this refuge under the teacher or the God consists of a practice of meditation where the individual is given some divine syllable or the mantra, that is the name of God. So this japa or the repetition of the name of God is one such practice which can lead you to the understanding which cannot be imparted by understanding everything through the study. This will come on its own. Either it comes out of concentration or the grace or whatever. We need not to get into such details because we are here to know the life, and that understanding of oneness amongst all will be imparted to you out of this practice. This is called as the Japa Yoga, where one rosary or the mala is required. And if in someone's life they have tested all the yoga practices, there are different forms of the practice of yoga. If it has not helped you, then this Japa Yoga will surely help you. How to perform this Japa is that you can either keep this rosary in a bag, or you can simply use both of your hands. Then taking the index finger outside, you can use your thumb to roll on the beads. What is required is the loving attitude to perform this. Now this name of God is highly powerful stuff. If you do much of such stuff or the practice, you could burn yourself. So the method is that in the beginning you do simply the jap of 108 beads or one mala in the morning and one in the evening. Carry this on for 7 days time, and then in the second week 216, that is the jap of the 2 mala. There used to be a time when we used to get confused that we are doing right or wrong or such thing. Don't involve into such matters much. What matters is your loving attitude to take the name of God. Now this will become more and more beneficial if you keep in front of you the picture or image of the teacher or the God whose name you are taking, and then from his feet to head or from head to feet you can just transcend, or you can have your glance, and with the breath, each time when you exhale, one bead down. Inhalation, you take little rest, and exhalation, one bead down. And along with that, you can chant the name through the mouth, or you can do it mentally.